Welcome back. This is the Train Expert channel. We got a grain hopper train. Let's roll it and check it out. We're gonna, like I said, it's gonna be a busier week here at Jeffrey the Train Experts, because the only things I got is I'm gonna be streaming at noon, and I'm coming back at 8 to close it out today as well as tomorrow, and then I'm gonna live stream a half hour earlier, probably tomorrow, in case of Western New York's to show up, the Western New York train to show up. I haven't got a Western New York train since I was in Meadville this past summer when I went live there. And I got this live, and I couldn't get it in the camcorder version, because I had all my phones on me, just except for that smartphone I have on my hand. No, I'm sorry. On me, I mean, but not when I'm filming now. They will say they will keep the cameras rolling until there's until we got a parking area, but I gotta turn face the engines again. But I at least got the engines facing before. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and set the camera down, or set this down here and watch them go by here, as far as, and then get some in the parking wise too. We're going to keep the cameras rolling until there's a stoppage on the parking, and then that's going to be it. Looks like they're heading this direction. Yeah. Let's turn the cameras this way. Sorry. No. Well. Thank you. Thank you. Turn the cameras this way. Huh? I'm trying to face the same way as like I did back in our first video of the day. I love the sound effects. Nice sound. Yeah, very good horn salute right there. All right, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with this grain hopper train comes by. Oops. I done this on the live stream before. Set the phones down like lost the phone like this. I did that last year like this too. So. Alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the next train. Talk to you later. That'll be the grain hopper. Talk to you later.